I've got sensors all over my house that I use in smart home automations. Contact sensors to know when a door or window is open or closed. Motion sensors to know when someone or something is moving about. Temperature and brightness sensors to know the climate and lighting conditions of any room. Vibration sensors to know when something is vibrating. But there's one sensor that I've been using for the past year that was a game changer for my smart home. Let's do this. Sensors are a must for any smart home. They allow me to do things like auto-lock a door after it's been closed, pause my heating or air conditioning when a window is opened, turn on a light when it's too dark in a room, send me an alert when someone approaches the front door. But if you've played around with sensors in your smart home, then you know just how difficult it can be to have reliable automations without bulletproof presence detection. Let's take lighting for an example. You can have a motion sensor trigger your lights to turn on, but what about turning your lights off? Motion sensors that use passive infrared, or PIR, are not very reliable for turning lights off. If you're sitting on the couch reading a book or watching TV, the PIR thinks no one is in the room, and you end up having the lights turned off on you. Any workaround to address this using automation conditions is just that, a workaround. The real solution to this problem is mmWave. I got this Everything Presence 1 about a year ago. Actually, I bought 4 of them. This little device packs a ton of sensors inside. Everything from temperature, to humidity, to brightness, to motion using passive infrared, and mmWave for presence detection. The coolest part about this sensor is that it was designed and sold by a smart home enthusiast on YouTube. Thumbs up to Lewis at Everything Smart Home for making this product. I bought this device specifically for the mmWave sensor inside. Compared to a traditional motion sensor, using mmWave for presence detection feels almost magical. It can detect nearly any seemingly imperceptible movement, including sitting on a couch breathing. That's right, it can measure your diaphragm contracting. This has huge practical applications for smart home automations. Now, I can use a passive infrared motion sensor to turn on the lights when a person enters the room, and then mmWave to turn off the lights when it confirms that no one is remaining in the room. But its utility is not limited to just lighting. Let's say you want to run a smart home automation to start the robot vacuum, or arm the alarm, or turn off the heating and air conditioning when no one is home. Well, if you've got little kids like I do who are too young to have their own smart devices, then you don't have a great way of tracking true presence detection, until now, using mmWave. By placing mmWave sensors in each major room of the house, I am able to reliably know if anyone is still remaining at home, and that way I can have Roomba do its thing, I can have the alarm turn on for peace of mind, and I can turn off the heating or air conditioning to save money. Let's take a closer look at the Everything Presence 1. I bought the kit version, which includes all the sensors that I mentioned previously. The USB-C charging cable and power brick are both sold separately. The kit version cost me about $63, and the USB-C charging cable and brick were about $9. You can pick up the charging cable and power brick on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description to the ones that I purchased. To be clear, this device is not cheap. I bought 4 of them because that seemed like the bare minimum for me to get reliable presence detection around the major areas of my home. Now, the case is 3D printed, and honestly, the case is the biggest downside of this product in my view. Frankly, the case just feels cheap and flimsy, and I had several of them break on me. They all broke at the point where the stand's ball socket connects to the sensor housing. The folks at Everything Smart Technology were super cool about helping me out and sending me replacement cases, but I would just like a better case, one that is stronger and is more versatile. A magnetic attachment like on Philips Hue motion sensors would be really great in my view. Inside the case, you find the brains of this thing: onboard temperature, humidity, and light sensors, a 24 GHz mmWave sensor, and a passive infrared motion sensor with a 12-meter detection zone. It comes with ESP32 system on chip and uses Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. ESP Home is pre-installed for direct integration to Home Assistant, which is how I use it. Just look at all of the entities and customization options that this gives you. For example, if you find the mmWave detection is too sensitive, you can adjust the sensitivity or the on latency, About 0.5 should do the trick. Additionally, you can dial in the range based on the size of your room, among other options. You can position the mmWave board either horizontally or vertically, depending on the shape of your room and the area that you want to cover. I use both methods in my home, depending upon the room layout. For fun, I create a motion game for my kids. If they are totally still, the light in their room is green, but if they move at all, the light turns red. It's almost impossible to win at this game, even for an adult, but we have fun trying. By adding mmWave, my smart home automations reached a whole new level of reliability and creativity. Presence detection is now super reliable, which greatly expanded the kinds of automations that I can consider in my smart home and give me the confidence knowing they'll just work. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons, and I'll catch you in the next one.